Alright, so from the TOP peeps. Yeah. Park it up for a bit. Come back to it, you know? Boom. Alright, let's get a little EQ on that aiming, just a tad. Low cut. Actually, we want low. Right, I definitely need my bass share on now. Rolling. Right, let me see how that comes in. I want to give an indication that string's coming back in. Right, let's see. Number 5. Alright, there you go. I've got it now. PHBRK. Right, let me see if I could do a little backward edit on that. Let me just see some. Back. I think this is back 5. Is it back 5? No. Hold on.
Dark. Yeah, dark.
I can't remember how to do the reverse on here. But you know what, the easiest way to do this, right? It'd just be to do this, look. I'm not sure the command, I've forgotten that. It's been a while since I've done that. Right, so let's just do this. So we render that to sample. 1, 2. Right, so we only want that, basically. There you go. Right, so I'm going to render that to sample real quick. This is the easiest way to do it without messing about. Render to sample, Bosch, get in there, and then flipping. I'm going to have to recap on those commands, man. Where are we? Reverse. Yeah, I want something like that. And then. Yeah. Do I want to do that? Yeah. And then from there, I'm just going to go whoosh. Yeah, give me a flavour. But let me try something. Take it down an octave. Yeah, not bad. Let me try this. Yeah, a bit more with it. Let that run for a bit. We're rolling. Do that female vocal in there. Little sound to complement that probably. It's mad. Alright, so let's bring that up in volume. It's well low. Up all. Yeah, not bad. Let me hear. Oh, I love that sound, man. I know it's cheeky, but I love it. Proper old school business. Straight out of the Amiga, that one. Clean it up, get rid of that, fade it out a bit. Fade him out, process, fade out. Fade out. Nice. Little reverb on him. Let's put reverb on that channel. What we got? So I think the start point's a bit twaffed out on that, man. It sounds a bit. Yeah. Need to get it a bit sharper. Right, I'm gonna put this. Let me reverb. R-E-V. R-E-V. Reverb. That's quite nice. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm doing all of the samples in this project, including the arrangement file, the whole entire arrangement, bounce out stems, and also all of these individual samples and breaks as well that are now in a phrase format as well. So you've got your individual phrases and stuff like that. So the reason why I've done the phrases as well is so that you can just literally just press a key and put the beats at literally any tempo, and it will work straight into your projects. I've got the breaks used here. All of them are timed up, BPM to whatever BPM you want to do, and also the whole arrangement, so you can load it up, you can check it out. The pack's now available at samploids.com. Go there, grab it. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing the pack and mess about with the samples on there and get a feel for how this all works. Also, for those of you who are the patrons, the pack is now available to download on the Patreon, free of charge, obviously, because you're already a patron. So that's big up to you guys for showing the support, showing love, keeping the channel going. Yes guys, big up. Okay peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more quicker. Big up, man. Take care. God bless. Peace.